What am I doing wrong? I come here all the time.
I understand that.
So what are you asking my ID for?
Because I need to be able to see who you are. That's why.
Okay, now you're not violating my rights then, right?
I am not.
So what happened?
You're sitting in the driver's seat. Your vehicle is here, so now I need to see your ID.
It takes a special kind of tyrant to work for the Los Angeles Sheriff's Department. They are also notorious for having gangs within the department. They swore an oath to the Constitution, but they don't seem to know that oath. Are they part of a secret society, or are they just gang members? Before you watch the rest of the video, I'm going to show you a clip from an event that I was invited to. Alright folks, check this out. What up, Nate Skates? What's up, San Joaquin Jr.? Hey guys, shout out to greensbrand.com. These guys are pretty cool, man. We needed a couple things out here to set up our first booth ever, and they hooked us up, so we let them zip tie to us right there. These guys are cool. They have a t-shirt brand and everything. We're talking about a collaboration as well in the future. We also got San Joaquin Audits out here with us. And Nate Skates has a new channel, guys. It's called I Know My Rights. I'll drop the link in there for you guys so you guys can go subscribe. I'll also subscribe San Joaquin Jr. You guys already know. He has another channel called Junior's News Network. Make sure you subscribe to that one as well. Shout out to my son who's around somewhere. He's walking around. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel, which is San Joaquin Audits. And he also has a backup channel called Nick's News Now. You guys subscribe to that. What do you guys think, man? Shout out to the Pop Brothers at Law, who gave me the opportunity to come out here. They're like, hey bro, we're gonna give you a booth, come out here. And I'm like, damn. He's like, bypass everything, don't even pay, you're good to go. I guess I should keep that on the low though, huh? We got a bunch of vendors out here, guys. We got a bunch of vendors. I will be, after more folks are set up, we'll go around and we'll go around and introduce ourselves to everyone. And we'll introduce everyone to ourselves, let them know what we do, hand out our cards. And also, we just met Dan Herrera, which is Jack Herrera's son, which is totally insane, guys. Very cool dude, man. Very humble as well. And he told me a little bit about what he does, and I'm totally impressed already, guys. And we haven't even been here set up for an hour. But we're going to be asking some questions. Here we got San Joaquin Audits back. You guys make sure you subscribe to his second channel as well, Nick's News Now. Nick's News Network, that's right. I'll drop the links in the description, guys. Peace.
And what am I doing wrong?
You got tinted windows in your car, for one.
And what am I doing wrong?
I didn't say you were doing anything wrong.
Okay, then that doesn't make no sense.
I did not say that. That never came out of my mouth. We would have been done already.
Done? Like, done in what way?
I would have seen who you are. Okay, cool. It's nothing. You're here. Everything checks out good. That's it.
You guys are straight violating my rights.
No, I am not violating.
You're violating my rights. I'm sitting in my vehicle.
Now I'm gonna open the door and I'm gonna.
You can't touch my vehicle. You can't touch my vehicle.
Go ahead and step out of the vehicle. Put your phone down and go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
I'll put my phone right here.
That's fine.
Make sure you get recorded.
That's fine.
Because you're violating my rights. You know you are. You know
Go
that.
ahead.
You know you are, right?
Go ahead, step out of the vehicle.
Don't touch me.
I'm gonna go ahead. You're gonna go. Drop your phone. Drop your phone. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back and cross them for me. Cross your hands for me. Cross them.
Let me cross them.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna cross them. I ain't got no rights. You guys are tripping.
Are you gonna cross your hands?
How? Let me cross.
Like you're
Sir,
playing.
Palms together.
she needs to let me cross them.
There you go.
You guys are really fucking tripping. You know that, right? There's no need for this.
There
First off,
wasn't.
no.
I agree with you. There was no need for this.
No, there isn't. I don't know
Go
what
ahead.
your problem is.
Now we have it. Go ahead. Go ahead and wash your hands. Clean up your mouth. Wash your hands. I need to search you. What's this?
my fucking ID. I'm not going in there.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Just take a seat. You don't have to put your legs all the way in. Just chill.
Look, I don't fucking want to sit in there. I haven't
It
violated
doesn't
anything.
matter.
Check my ID and that's that. You're not gonna fucking treat me like a fucking criminal. I have no felonies. I got no fucking record. I've never been arrested. I'm educated and I know my fucking rights. And my brother's a fucking cop. Don't fucking matter, dude. Don't pull up. Don't pull up. Law enforcement, fucking run through the car and still think I'm fucking stupid. You're fucking apparently treating me like a fucking ass. I put you this fucking park. Every day I go walking, I see you guys park here all the time. All that shit. You think if I was a criminal, I was right here fucking in this car. Why don't you go put over here? Look, you know fucking suspicious. Stupid fucking pigs. Look at her. This is a stupid ass fucking pig that fucking just violated my fucking rights. Fuck you, fucking bitch.
This guy was pretty upset that the cops took him out and put him in handcuffs. Would you be upset if it happened to you folks? Over tinted windows? One thing I want to point out is that we often see police officers driving in and out of the police stations with their personal vehicles. A lot of times those personal vehicles don't have front license plates and they also have tinted windows. What is this do as I say, not as I do mentality? It's unprofessional, folks. It goes against their policies. Obviously, we the people have had enough. Everyone seems to be picking up cameras from sea to shining sea and everywhere in between. It doesn't matter what race you are or ethnicity. This is America, folks. You have freedoms here. It's time to learn what they are. It's time to know your rights. Subscribe to my channel now if you're not yet. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.